Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our C3535 3.5-inch coaster.
Stay tuned. Okay, so in this video, we are going to be working with our 3.5 by 3.5 coaster. It is a 1/4 of an inch thick. It does have a nice grip on the back and then your white surface on the front for sublimation. So let's get started.
Okay, we designed our image using Photoshop, and we printed using our Sawgrass printer. So I did print 2 on an 8.5 by 11. We're just going to trim it up here. Okay, we're going to adhere it on with our thermal tape. And now we're ready to go.
Thank you. Okay, so we are using our 16x20 press today. I am using a piece of silicone. You can also use a Teflon sheet just to protect your bottom and your top platen. With your transfer on top, I'm just going to fold this over. And we are pressing today at 400 degrees for 30 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are going to remove immediately. And we do have thermal gloves on hand just in case. You are going to want to remove in a nice smooth motion to avoid any ghosting. We're just going to let it cool. Okay, so now you have one personalized pad. Anything else? Do you want to add it in?
Yeah, these are great coasters because being that they are fabric, they do absorb the moisture. And if you like our design, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
There you go. And also don't forget to check out our product instructions and templates online at coastalbusiness.com. And we'll see you next time.